Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to install Flutter on Windows 11 with easy to follow steps. So without wasting any more time, let's get right to it. So in your browser here, type in Flutter SDK download and hit enter. Click this first option here. On this page, click Get Started. Now click Windows. Here you can choose the type of app you want to develop. If you're unsure, click Android for now. Now on this page, scroll down to hardware requirements and ensure that your PC meets the minimum system requirements. Now let's scroll down a bit more. Here we see a warning regarding where we choose to install Flutter. So let's keep this in mind. Now let's scroll back up. Over here, click download and install. Now click this button to download the SDK. If you click this icon at the top right corner of the screen, you'll see that our download has started. Once the download is complete, open up your downloads folder, and here we see the zip file. Right click it and click extract all. Now click extract. This might take a while. Once the extraction is complete, click the extracted folder, then press Ctrl and X to cut it. Now click local disk C and paste the folder in this directory by pressing Ctrl and V. Now double click this folder and double click the Flutter folder. Double click the bin folder. Now left click up here, right click and click copy. Now click the Windows icon, then type environment. This is the option we want. Edit the system environment variables. Click it to open it up. Now click environment variables. Now up here, double click path, click new, and simply press Ctrl and V to paste the path we just copied. Now click OK to close this page. Then close this page by clicking OK. Then finally, click OK to close this page. And that's it. Now to verify the installation, click the Windows icon, then type CMD for command prompt. Hit enter to open this up. In the command prompt window, just type in Flutter and hit enter. Once you see this message, you know you've successfully installed Flutter. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.